If you're looking for dog bed crate, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Most Popular, by MidWest Homes for Pets. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by MidWest Homes for Pets. Number 3, by Milliard. Get your favorite dog bed crate now. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4, by Hero Dog. Number 5, by Dericor. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.